This is our Sweetwater Trauma Kit. It is our most economically priced. If you are low on your budget and you need to have some quality medical gear to save someone's life and keep them alive until EMS can take over, then this is what's going to be essential for you. It comes with a tourniquet, pressure dressing, wound packing, gloves, and trauma shears. Everything that you're going to need to make someone's life a little bit better in an emergency. This is our Yellowstone. This is our best-selling trauma kit. It has everything in it that you're going to need to keep someone alive in an emergency situation. We consider this to be our individual first aid kit designed to take care of one person in a very bad situation. In it comes a tourniquet, chest seals, pressure dressing, wound packing, gloves, and of course, trauma shears so you can get eyes on that wound. This is our Wind River Trauma Kit. It has essentially double the amount of items as our Yellowstone. It comes with 3 tourniquets, pressure dressings, wound packing, and everything else that you're going to need to take care of someone in a bad situation, including some of your more first aid items for your small boo-boos like cuts and abrasions, and over-counter medication like Motrin and Tylenol. Check it out at the Mountain Man Medical website.